your blender, chuck in 2 medium-sized bananas, 1 Nice biscuit or graham cracker, just some sort of sweet biscuit, 2/3 of a cup of milk, about 3 tablespoons or just under 1/4 of a cup of raisins, 2 tablespoons of packed brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now just mix this on high for about 20 to 30 seconds, or if you've got this awesome blend tech, use the smoothie setting. And if you want, crush up part of another biscuit, the graham cracker or whatever it is you used, and sprinkle that over the top.